Cloth Toilet Sprayer King High-Powered Hand by Baby Touch is one of the best sellers among cloth diaper sprayers products. 2018 Baby Touch Cloth Diaper Sprayer is multi-mode sprayer, easy to install. It is best quality, no leak, and the most powerful cloth diaper sprayer you can find. Made of brass and stainless steel, for many years of use. Cleans diapers with strong water pressure. 1. 2 meters long hose, stainless steel. Sprayer material brass, chrome plated. Toilet hanger material ABC steel, chrome plated. Diaper, brass, chrome plated. 7/8 The manufacturer's Baby Touch cloth diaper sprayer idea began with a group of 4 moms who wanted to contribute to a greener world and save time and money. The sprayer made the manufacturer's life easier, and the manufacturer hope you'll enjoy it as well. The manufacturer make life easier for parents with babies for over 2 years, and more are joining every day. Add our cloth diaper sprayer to your cart today, and consider getting one for your best friend. 2018 The only one with pressure control multi-mode shut-off. Easy to install, best quality. TR. Perfect fit for standard American toilet, 7/8 inch. Free ebook gift. 2018 Strong pressure help to clean up diapers. Comfortable grip can be used on shower. 1. 2 meters long hose, 5-year warranty. No more messy diapers. Teflon tape, wall and tank mount included. The manufacturer try harder. Excellent customer service.